vibes. Follow the vibes. Mr. Rebel. Mr. Rebel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be unpacking some groceries and doing a Mr. Price home mini haul. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Hey, check it out. Are you going with Daddy to the bank? Coming with me. In here. Very nice of you to say, Banzi. No, you can't sleep on them, my boy. You're not allowed to. It wasn't you? Yes, thanks.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build
This side. Thank you. Hey, not your face. Yay, yay. Banzi, not your face, my boy. Banzi, not your face. Yes. Eh? my fridge before I start unpacking groceries. This red velvet cake that I got from Woolworths. It's a bit old. Rainbow, you just passed on my video in your undies. Sekufanele crop manje, kufanele crop video yami manje. Ngenxa yakho. Underwear? I think Bansi just said he found that thing on the balcony and we don't have a balcony. Bansi! Where did you say you found that thing? So I also went to Mr. Price and Mr. Price Home, and I got myself the standard pillow because in the second bedroom there's 3 pillows for some reason. I don't know what happened to the 4th one. I think when we travel, because Banzi is usually at the back seat, so when we travel we usually take a pillow. So I think we've left it somewhere, either at my mom's place or my sister's place or something like that. So I got this standard pillow and it was 49 rand, Mr. Price Home. And then I got some continental pillows. I got 2 of them. These were going for 89 rand each. I got 2. And then I got some pillowcases. I got them in red because the cover that I'm currently using on my bed has a bit of blue and a bit of red, and the pillowcases also come with the blue and red. So for the other pillows I'm going to use this red cover. And then I also got these are for pens in the office to store your pen. It's a pen holder. Got them for 29 rand each at Mr. Price, but I'm going to use it for my makeup brushes. Let me actually put them in now and see how they look. So I was keeping my brushes in this McDonald's cuppy thingy. So now I'm gonna move them there and put them in here. Let me just so amanye azongena la whilst amanye, I think the eyeshadow brushes are gonna go in here. Those are my eyes. Ta-da! This should work for now. Mama. Yes, a wrap. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share this video. Thank you. Bye.